everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we're going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your skydiving center business. So I am an owner of a skydiving center business and I receive a lot of queries by my customers on WhatsApp. And replying to each one of them individually and manually is a very time-consuming and hectic task. So to solve this problem, I have created a WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. So now as I've created this bot, whenever I receive any of the queries by the customers on WhatsApp as a message, automatically this bot is going to reply to them. So if you want to learn how to create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for yourself, for your business, then let me take you to my screen. In this video, we're going to learn how to create an exciting and fully automated WhatsApp chatbot for your skydiving center business using Pabbly Chatflow. So firstly, I'm going to show you how to create. So first of all, I'm going to show you how this bot that I've created actually works in real time. For that, I'm going to send this bot a message through my WhatsApp number. So let's suppose over here towards this bot, I'm going to send a message as, "Hello, I want to know about the prices." So I'm going to send this message to this bot. And as I'm going to do that, automatically this bot has forwarded me an image of the skydiving business. With that, I have received a welcome message right here. Okay, so I want to see the prices. So I'm going to select this option from the given buttons. And automatically you can see this bot is going to reply to my messages. So you can see over here, this bot is automatically going to reply to all my messages. So this is how this bot is going to work in real time. And in this video, I'm going to show you how this bot is going to be created step by step without any need of coding and programming skills with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So firstly, on a new tab, I'm going to browse the website of Pabbly Chatflow, that is www.pabbly.com/chatflow. So I'm going to browse the website and then Pabbly Chatflow's landing page is going to appear in front of you. On the landing page, you have two options: sign in or sign up for free. If you're an existing user, you can directly sign in to your Pabbly Chatflow account. But if you're a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month. I am an existing user, so I'm going to sign in to my Pabbly Chatflow account. After that, the All Pabbly Apps window is going to appear in front of you, in which you can see all the applications that Pabbly provides, from which we are going to select this Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on this Access Now button right over here. Then Pabbly Chatflow's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. So what is Pabbly Chatflow? It is a tool that helps businesses to manage WhatsApp conversations and send WhatsApp messages effortlessly. In order to set up your own Pabbly Chatflow account, click on this Add WhatsApp Number. You have two options: WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. If you want to learn about both of the methods in order to set up Pabbly Chatflow account, you can check out the videos added in the description box below. Pabbly Chatflow provides multiple features like inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast, flows, AI assistant. In settings, there are multiple options. If you want to learn in brief about each and every feature of Pabbly Chatflow, you can check out all the videos that we have already created and uploaded and added in the description box below. In order to create a new WhatsApp chatbot, from the left side go to Flows and Flows section right over here of your Pabbly Chatflow account. Flow Builder page is going to appear in front of you, and to create a new flow, click on this Add Flow button on the top right corner right here. As soon as you're going to do that, firstly, we are going to rename the flow, which is going to be WhatsApp Chatbot for your skydiving center business. This is the name of the flow I want to give. After naming the flow, it says Flow Start. How this flow that we are creating is going to be triggered. There are three ways: keywords, regex, and choose template. So let's suppose you have added few keywords in this Flow Start right here. And now any of your customers sends those keywords as a WhatsApp message towards your bot, this bot is going to be triggered from here. Next, we're going to talk about is choose template. So let's suppose you have selected a template and added in this flow start right here. You have forwarded that template as a broadcast message to all your customers, and your customer replied towards that chosen template. Then this flow is going to be triggered from here. Next is regex, which is a short for regular impressions. It is a special pattern or sequence of characters used to find, match, or filter specific text. Over here for the regex, I have a special character which is going to help me to trigger this flow with any of the message that I received towards this bot. So I'm going to enter that special character right here. So this is the special character regex right here. With the help of this character, the flow is going to be triggered by any of the messages that I receive to my bot. Okay. So if you want to use this regex character for yourself on your flow, you can find it in the description box below. I have already added it there. Okay. So now this is how I've set up my flow start. Now by receiving any of the WhatsApp messages by the customers, automatically this bot is going to be triggered. What is the first message this bot should send towards my customer? I want to send a welcome message. With that, I want to send an image of the card of my business and number of options that my customer can select. So firstly, I'm going to drag this flow start point and drop it in this field. Content type, I'm going to select it as media, as now I'm going to first attach the image card of my business. Media type is going to be image. I don't want to add the media URL. I can directly upload it from here. So this is the card. I'm going to open it over here in this field right here. Okay, automatically the card is going to be uploaded. Now with this, I want to send a welcome message towards my customer. So I'm going to add a content type is going to be text plus button, and the message is going to be, so this is the message that I have right here. Welcome to Skyrush Adventures, your gateway to ultimate skydiving experience. Okay, you can see right over here it says what would you like to do today. For that, I want to add an options right here. For adding the options, I'm going to use this amazing feature, that is add button. So I'm going to add buttons over here in this message. I'm going to add 3 buttons right here. In a message, you can add maximum number of 3 buttons. So now we're going to name all the 3 buttons that I have added. So the names are, so these are the name of my buttons: book a skydiving, learn safety info, and view pricing. So what message should be forwarded towards my customer if they select this button, that is book a skydiving? So I have created a payment link for the skydiving business in my Razor Pay. You can see right over here, using which I collect the payments from my customers online. Okay, so what I want is, for this book a skydiving, I want to attach this payment link of Razor Pay right here, with the help of which the customer can book a skydiving in my business. So simply for that, from this point, I'm going to drag it and drop it in this field. Content type is going to be text plus button, and for the message, I'm going to write it as, so this is the message I have for this book a skydiving. If I'm going to scroll, it says, awesome, you're about to take a leap of a lifetime. Over here you can see I've attached the Razor payment link. You can see right over here, with the help of which a customer can book a skydiving. Okay, so this is the message that I forwarded towards the customer if they select this option, that is book a skydiving. So now with this message, I want to add a button of contact us. So let's suppose a customer books a skydiving in my business and they have any questions related to it after that, so they can simply contact us. So I want to add a button over here of contact us right here. With the help of this button, a customer can have the details like my number and my email address, with the help of which they can directly contact my business. Okay, so this is the button, and towards this button I want to send a message. My content type is going to be text plus button, and the message over here is going to be, so this is the message for contact us. It says, need personalized help or have specific questions about your skydiving experience. This is the email address and phone number on which a customer can directly contact. Okay, so now after adding the mobile number and the email address, now this is the message that is going to be forwarded towards the button, that is book a skydiving. My next button is learn safety info. For that, drag this point, drop it in this field. Content type is going to be text plus button, and I'm going to enter all the safety info that we provide in our business. So I'm going to write the message as, so this is the message I have for view safety info at Skyrush Adventures. Your safety is our highest priority. So now let's suppose in this message, I want to bold the name of my business right here, that is Skyrush Adventures. For that, in front of the sentence which I want to make bold, I'm going to add a star sign, and in the end of the sentence, I'm going to add the star sign. Okay, in this manner, the sentence that is between the 2 stars is going to be formatted as bold. Okay, so now I'm going to scroll on. You can see these are all the information related to the safety that we provide in our business. I've added the entire message. Okay, now with this message, I also want to add this button of contact us. So firstly, I'm going to copy the name from here, and simply I'm going to add a button and paste the name right here of contact us. Now with this button, I want to send the same message. So I'm going to connect this button to this contact us message over here as well. Okay, so now after setting up this step for this learn safety info, my last button is view pricing. So I'm going to simply drag this point and drop drop it in this field. Content type is going to be text plus button, and for the message for the view pricing, I'm going to write it as. So this is the message that I have for view pricing. Over here, these are all the packages: basic package, advanced package, and the group package. You can see right over here, this is the entire message right here. Now over here, if any of the customers like any of the package and they want to book a skydiving, so I'm going to add a button of book a skydiving right over here. I'm going to simply copy this name of this button from here and paste it right here in this button field, okay? And for the message of book a skydiving, I'm going to send the same message right here, okay? So now I want to add a button in this contact us message as well. I want to add a button of back to main menu. Using this button, what is going to happen? A customer can lead back to this main menu that I've created right here. Firstly, I'm going to rearrange this entire flow. So this is the bot that I've created successfully using Pabbly Chatflow. In order to save this bot that I've created, click on the save button on the top right corner. As I've done that, it says flow updated successfully. Now as I've saved this bot, I want to test this bot right here. For testing this bot, I am going to send a WhatsApp message towards this bot with my number. And after doing that, I'm going to check whether automatically this bot that I've created is going to reply to my messages or not. So this is my WhatsApp, and towards this bot, I'm going to send a message as, hey, I want to book a dive, okay? So I'm going to send this message to this bot. Automatically, I have received the image you can see right over here of the business and a welcome message with options. I want to book a diving, so I'm going to select this option from here, and you can see automatically this bot is going to reply to me with the payment link also. You can see right over here, okay? So you can see this bot is automatically replying to all my messages. This means that we have successfully created this bot using Pabbly Chatflow. And that's how you can also create a complete interactive WhatsApp chatbot for your skydiving center business using Pabbly Chatflow. This bot doesn't chat, it builds trust, answers questions instantly, takes booking, and gives your business professional 24/7 customer experience. Want to try it yourself? You can create your own chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow for free to test it with 100 free credit points that we provide. So go ahead, start building your bot and make your customers' conversation on WhatsApp effortless. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not just this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple other chatbots according to your need with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any question, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can ask us query on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can check out this link. If you want to try to create this bot for yourself, for your business, you can do it absolutely for free with the help of Pabbly Chatflow.